Hi students, here one of the very important concept in polynomial, that is factorization of the polynomials. Factorization. So before solving the factorization questions, we have to know some identity, students. That is, as we know already, you have already learned these all in 8th class. Just recall once these all the identities. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So or this formula you can write in another way, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, students. See here 3ab, here 3ab means common, 3ab is the common number, so you can take common from these two terms 3ab, so you can write a plus b, 3ab into a plus b. Like a minus b, this same, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. These two formulas are very important while when there are so many questions, factorization questions based on these two identities, students. Very important. 4 more questions are there some. And very important identities are a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. See students, here only ab is negative number. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. You can check, students, this multiply this, you take RHS, multiply a plus b, this, then you can get a cube plus b cube. And here a cube minus b cube. So here a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. These all the numbers are positive numbers. Only here b is negative number. These are the identities, students. By following these identities, so now we are going to factorize some polynomial, students. So please note it down, these all the in your identities in your classwork notebook. So then I will explain some questions how to factorize the polynomial, students. So students, here I have taken one example. So here question is factorize this polynomial. So if you observe this polynomial, students, here x cube plus 27 is there. So you know that 27 is a perfect cube, that is 3 cube. You can write x cube plus 3 cube. So before factorizing this polynomial, first you have to decide that this is looking like a plus b whole cube identity, a plus b whole cube, because here a cube plus b cube is there, students. So we will see x cube plus 27 is 3 cube. So if you observe the identity a cube plus b cube, what is that identity, students? A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So if you compare with this identity, here what is a value, students? A is x and b is 3, students. A equals to x and b is equals to 3. So this is a cube. X cube means a cube plus 3 cube means b cube. A cube plus b cube plus generally 3a square b, students. So here 9x square, how I can write? 3 into a square. A square is what, students? X square. And b is 3. We can write. See students, 3 3s are 9, 9x square. So but this is looking like 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3 into what is a value? A is x plus b square. B square is 3 square. So 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27, 27x, students. So here we can write like this, sir. So this is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is identity, student, that is a plus b whole cube. This is equal to what you can write? X plus 3 and x plus 3. 3 times. We have to multiply 3 times. So this is the factorization, students. So by following these identities, there are so many questions, means factorizing the cubic polynomials, like this kind of questions are there, students. Now I am going to explain one very important question, students. by following some identities which are I have given already, that is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equals to what, students? A plus b, sorry, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, students. So here by following this identity, some questions are there, students. So some, for example, one question is there, that is x cube minus 27. So question is factorize. So how you can factorize this polynomial, students? So very easy, just compare with this identity a cube minus b cube. So this is looking like a cube minus b cube. So here what you can write, x cube minus, you can write 3 cube. So this is a cube minus b cube. So what is this? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That means a minus b means x minus 3. Here a is x. A is x and b is what, students? B is 3. So a minus b and a square means x square plus ab is 3x plus b square is 9, students. So here if you see here x minus 3, already this is the linear polynomials. So but this is the quadratic polynomial, students. So as we know, quadratic polynomial, how you can factorize the quadratic polynomials? By following splitting middle term, students. So here if you see x square plus 3x plus 9, so first we have to decide that can we split this middle term of this quadratic polynomial, students. So here we cannot split this one, students. X square plus 3x plus 9 we cannot split, but sometimes for this kind of questions, whatever this in this place, in this part, whatever this quadratic polynomial, generally वो split होता है, students. But in this case ये split नहीं हो रहा है, because b square is 9 minus 4ac. So this is a negative number. So we cannot separate, we cannot split middle term, students. So how we can say quadratic polynomial can be splitted or not, means we can be split middle term or not? Just compare with standard form of quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus t. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Here what is a value is 1, b is 3 and c is 9, students. So find b square minus 4ac, students. If this value b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then only we can split the quadratic polynomial. This value must be greater than or equals to 0, then only we can split the polynomial, students. So if you see here, b square is what, students? 9 minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 9. So that is equals to minus 27. So if you see here, we cannot split this polynomial, students. So factorization of this polynomial is up to this only, students. This is the factorization. This much only.